So we're gonna look at a room in this is about 35 kilometers south of Hawaii. I'll put the name of the town down below, but basically it's a gated community, and we're gonna see a couple apartments here. I'll show at least one of them. It looks like there's nice places to kind of hang out, and there's also a swimming pool. And we're kind of way down at the end. There's a barrier on the other, not too far from here. All right, let's go check out the rooms. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. I'll just, you can come on in. No worries. It's kind of similar design to the other one.
Yeah, yeah.
Same developer, looks like the same developer maybe.
This also 1.5?
1.49. I can go down a little bit.
Really?
1.49?
Yes.
It comes with
Everything here.
Yes.
Too bad.
So 10,000 baht. And it has the washing machine. So this one you can rent. The other one you'd buy 1.5 billion baht, about 43,000 American dollars, and this is 10,000 baht to rent a month.
Yeah.
1.79 million baht.
I like the entire myself.
Alright. Quiet area.
No bath.
And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado da boquinha.